In this demo, you will learn how to modify, save and reuse artwork configurations for different designs. From the menu bar, select Manufacture and choose Artwork. You will get the Artwork Control form, which is used to generate the required film records for Gerber generation. The Generate Film button in the Artwork Control form creates the film records based on the artwork configuration set. The Config button is used to add the design elements required for each artwork film records. Select the Config button to open the artwork configuration. Here you can see the default settings added for different film records. You can set the artwork settings here and use the same settings for different board files to generate the artwork film records. Let us modify the default artwork film records in the configuration settings. In the film record settings, you will see that it is possible to add a design outline to the existing design objects. I add the class board geometry and subclass design outline to the film records. I am adding the board geometry design outline to all the film records. In the interest of time, adding board geometry to design outline for all the film records is not shown in this demo. If you review the default configurations, it is clear that all necessary design elements for each artwork are present, except for the fabrication drill views. Therefore, let us update the fabrication-based film record to include the fabrication artwork layer. The stackup used for this demo is a 6-layer stackup. So I remove the unwanted drill legend and add the necessary one. I select the class, manufacturing, and subclass, specifically NC Legend 1 to 6. Following that, I add essential details related to fabrication, such as the cross-section chart, fab notes, and other relevant information that must be communicated to the fabricator. Additionally, I include the required subclasses for the fabrication artwork. At this point, the film record configuration for the fabrication drawing is complete, and all the artwork film record configurations have been set. Let's save the modified artwork configuration. To save the configuration file, click the Config File button at the bottom right corner of the configuration form. This will open a drop-down menu. Select the Save option from this menu to save the configuration file in the current working directory where your design file is located. If you want to load a local configuration file, you can choose the Load option, which allows you to select a file from the current working directory or any specified path. Additionally, you can set a local library path to store and access company-specific configuration files. To access configuration files stored in the library path, use the Load from Library option. You can set this library path in the User Preferences form. After setting up the necessary configurations, click OK to close the artwork configuration form. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Select Yes to regenerate the artwork films. To view the updated artwork films, navigate to the NC Legend 1 to 6 folder, which contains details related to the fabrication drawing. To view the artwork film created, select the NC Legend 1 to 6 folder and right-click on the display to enable the visibility option for the updated artwork films. I will now open a different board file to generate the artwork files using this artwork configuration, but I will apply the artwork configuration file I created for a 6-layer board to produce the artwork films here. First, go to the Manufacture menu, select Artwork, and then click on the Config button. Next, select the Config File drop-down menu to choose the Load option and open the configuration file that was saved earlier. After that, navigate to the Fabrication Drill Views and update the NC Legend files. I replace the NC Legend 1 to 6 with NC Legend 1 to 18 here. Click OK, and then select Yes to proceed. The tool will then generate all the necessary artwork and film records. Finally, expand the artwork files to ensure that all the design objects related to the artwork film have been correctly included. This concludes the demo that shows how to modify, save, and reuse the artwork film record configuration.